4,980 on the Nifty, about a 0.5% lower, about 0.5% lower on the Nifty Bank, 55,980. You got the mid-cap index, which is down about a 0.5%. The small-cap index is lower as well. And this is the opening rates. I mean, it's a pretty well-behaved screen all told, with just a 0.5% cuts, and actually lesser if you look at the broader market. Small-cap index is down just a 0.33%. The mid-cap index is down about 0.4% as well. Market breadth, though, is negative. So 1,270 stocks are lower, 400 stocks are higher, but this is just the initial first minute, first 30 seconds actually. The heat map up on your screen, bulk of it is down and some of it is higher, about 5 or 6 names are up in the green and everything else are lower. I think this 100-point cut is also coming through with because of pressure on IT names, which we will look at with some of these individual stocks coming up as we go along. Surabhi.
Bunker-busting bombs on Iran from the US. I mean, the way that headline read, this could be just any given day, right? So markets are very, very different animal, at least in this phase. 150 points lower on the Nifty. Let's talk about the stocks then. Infosys, HCLTech, Wipro, Tech Mahindra, all the stocks are down. So it seems that the read-through from Accenture, the market's choosing to pick up the more cautious side of it. The fact that consulting revenues are lower, the fact that forward bookings, the new businesses they're booking, that's on the lower side. So not too much of enthusiasm over there. Let's see what else is weak. HUL, Hindalco, Shriram Finance, Bajaj Finance. These are some more names on the way down. Reliance itself is down about 0.7%, at least at this point in time. Coal India is also lower. On the upside, Nestle, BEL announced some order wins over the weekend. That's the only one really. ONGC is up because of the slight up move in crude oil prices. Speaking of crude oil, OMCs are not, it's not like they're collapsing or anything, hardly anything. 0.5% down on oil marketing companies. HPCL, BPCL, IOC down about 0.5% each. It's pretty much about it. 150 points lower on the Nifty. Mid-caps also down 0.5%, Nigel.
Well, that's right. You know, Northern Arc, last week we saw this large trade that took place at around 200 rupees or thereabouts. Today as well, there's quite a big volume taking place out there, and that stock is up by close to around 3.5%. So Northern Arc is a stock that's on the radar. It's up close to around 10% from last week's lows. Small finance banks, Utkarsh, Equitas and Ujjivan, all of them higher in today's trading session. So good up move is what we're seeing out there. SCI, that's another stock that's done well. That one, in fact, is up close to around 2% or thereabouts. So good up move is what we're seeing on that name. And another smaller stock, Kerala Ayurveda, you know, the very, very large equity actually has changed hands. So I'll keep an eye out on that one. Close to around 18% equity changing hands at around 470 rupees. The stock is up close to around 15%. A small market cap, only 600 crores, but very, very large equity. Not too sure what's gone on there, but we'll keep an eye out for details on that particular. Now up close to around 20%, 17% equity change hands on that one.
Just one more point on the diagnostic companies. Remember, Ekta was telling us Amazon's entering the space. So there's bound to be some disruption, some worries, but stocks are down 2%, not too much. Dr. Lal and Metropolis, slightly lower.
Absolutely, and you know, we'll come back to some of these prices, etc., as we go along. But for now, it's 0.75% down, 24,930. The Nifty Bank is fit for about 55,930 as well.